to CI Tech Tutorials friends. In this video we will learn about Termux, how Termux works, how we can install Termux in our mobile. Okay, so first we have to go to the Play Store and search for Termux. In the first option click on Termux and this will be your mobile application. You have to install in your mobile. After your installation click on Termux and this will be open. Okay, so before get started with the all commands, we have to first know what is Termux. Termux is an Android terminal emulator and Linux command environment Android app that work directly with the root and without root. A terminal based system is installed automatically. Additional packages are available using the apt package manager, and also there are some basic commands for Termux emulator. And if you already used any Linux environment or Linux OS, then you might easily learn those Termux commands. So the first command will be clear. Clear for clearing the screen. Just type clear and press enter. This will clear your screen. Now second command will be present working directory. So when you want to check your present working directory, then you can just type pwd. It will show you your current directory location where you present. So we will clear the screen now, and the third command will be create a new directory. So the command will be mkdir and your directory name. So directory name will be d1. Okay, in this situation. So just press enter, and if you want to see this directory, so you have to type the command ls called list, and all directory present here will be show you. Okay, now I'm clearing the screen. Next command is change directory. The command will be cd space directory name will be d1. Just press enter, and if you want to see your present working directory, just type pwd. This is your present working directory. Clear the screen, and if you want to come out from d1 directory, then type cd space dot. Press enter, and you will be outside of the directory. Now clear the screen. If you want to create a new file, then we can use touch command, touch equal to file name. Now file name will be file.txt. Press enter. It will create a new file with your specified file name. As you can see, there is two directory present and one file is available. Now the next command will be delete directory, and the command will be rm remove rmdir space directory name. So in this situation I want to use the work directory, so will be deleted. So command will be rmdir work. Press enter, and the directory will be deleted. If you want to delete the file, then simply type the command rm space file name. The file name will be file.txt, and press enter. Now check, the file will be deleted. Okay, so clear the screen again. Some more few basic commands for rename your file. So let's create a file f1.txt. In this situation I want to move f1 file.txt inside the d1 directory. The command will be mv space f1.txt inside the d1. Press enter. Now check file is moved or not. So press type ls, press enter, As you can see, file1 f1.txt is not available here. Okay, so it should be inside the d1 directory. So we can move, now we have to move cd inside the d1 directory and press ls. As you can see, f1.txt is present inside the d1. Now come outside of the d1 directory, cd enter. If we want to copy any file, we have to first move inside the d1 directory. As you can see, the file is present here, f1.txt. Now I want to copy the f1.txt into another directory. So the command will be cp as copy f1.txt within new directory called d2. Enter. Yes, we will get an error called d2 directory is not a directory present here. As you can see, there is only one file available, is f1.txt. So let's create a directory d2. Okay, now we can type command again, fcp f1.txt inside the d2. Now we have to move inside the d2 directory and press ls for list. The file is present here, that means the file is copied successfully. So let's talk about some file editor. Now when you install Termux emulator, there is one file editor which come by default called touch, as I have shown in this video. There is also another editor called vim is not installed here. As you can see, there is message showing for installation. Now few basic command will be like when you install Termux, you have to update your Termux machine. So the command will be apt command run for any packages related queries. So apt command should be apt -get update and press enter. So this will start updating your machine. So I am cancel for now. Okay, and also the second command will be apt-get upgrade. This will upgrade the already installed packages in your Termux emulator. Okay, as you can see, the message is 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed. Till now I haven't installed any new packages, that's why there is no package available for upgradation. Now some more basic commands like top. Top is a command which you can use to show all running background processes using top command. So just type top and press enter. This will show you all the background running process in your machine. If you want to change the permission of this file, there is a command called chmod or chon, which can use to give the specified permission for specific files. So right now for this directory and a file, we have to first check the specified permission for both. Just type ls -l and this will show you which permission are given for a specific file. As you can see, d2 directory is given by read, write, execute, and file1 is write and read and write. So there is no executable permission. So we can use a command called chmod +x and the file name called f1.txt. This command will give the executable permission for f1.txt and just press enter. Again press ls-l and as you can see, the color is changed. Okay, now details are read, write and execute. So anyone can execute this file. That is called chmod command. Clear the screen. So one more command I want to mention here. The command is history. So I can use to show all the commands I have previously. Just type history and it will show you all the previous commands. So That's all for now. In my next Termux video, I will show you all commands from beginner to advanced you can use easily. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. Meet you in my next video. If you like this video and if you get some knowledge in this video, please do share this video, like this video and subscribe if you are new in my channel.